Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing different topics related to everyday conversations in English. We'll talk about building trust in relationships. 2. Understanding common expressions like hit the hay. 3. How to improve memory power. 4. Tips for quitting smoking. 5. Daily English conversation. Join us for easy tips to boost your English skills.
English conversations to improve speaking skills. How to build trust in relationships. Tom, have you ever wondered how to foster trust in relationships?
Foster means to help something grow or develop.
Tom, have you ever wondered how to foster trust in relationships?
Definitely, Alice. Trust is the cornerstone of any strong relationship.
Cornerstone means the most important part or foundation of something.
Definitely, Alice. Trust is the cornerstone of any strong relationship.
So, what do you think we can do to strengthen trust between us?
Strengthen means to make something stronger or more powerful.
So, what do you think we can do to strengthen trust between us?
I believe it starts with being honest and open with each other. I believe it starts with being honest and open with each other. Communication is key.
That makes sense. What else can we focus on?
We need to demonstrate reliability.
Demonstrate means to show or prove something clearly. Reliability in relationships. It means you can always depend on that person.
We need to demonstrate reliability. And follow through on our commitments.
Commitments are the things you promise to do or the responsibilities you have.
And follow through on our commitments.
I completely agree. Trust is built through consistent actions.
Consistent means doing something the same way all the time.
Trust is built through consistent actions.
Exactly. It's about showing each other that we can be relied upon.
Relied upon means people can trust you to do something.
It's about showing each other that we can be relied upon.
Thanks for discussing this. I feel more confident about building trust in our relationship. I feel more confident about building trust in our relationship.
Trust is something we can work on together. Trust is something we can work on together. And I'm here every step of the way. And I'm here every step of the way.
English conversation practice. What you need to know: How to hit the hay. Hey Tom, do you know what hit the hay means?
Yeah, it's a casual way of saying go to bed or get some sleep. Yeah, it's a casual way of saying go to bed or get some sleep.
So, when someone says they're going to hit the hay, it means they're going to bed?
Exactly. It's a common expression used to talk about going to sleep. It's a common expression used to talk about going to sleep, especially after a long day.
That makes sense.
If you're feeling tired, feel free to hit the hay whenever you need to.
I might just do that after this conversation. Good night.
Good night, sleep tight.
Learn English conversation. How to improve memory power. Hey Tom, I've been struggling with my memory lately.
Struggling means having difficulty with something or finding it hard to do.
Hey Tom, I've been struggling with my memory lately. Do you have any tips on how to improve it? Do you have any tips on how to improve it?
Sure, Alice, there are several things you can try. Sure, Alice, there are several things you can try. Have you ever heard of mnemonic techniques? Have you ever heard of mnemonic techniques?
No, I haven't. What are they?
Mnemonic techniques are memory aids that help you remember information more easily.
Aids means things that help or assist. It's like tools or support that make something easier to do.
Mnemonic techniques are memory aids that help you remember information more easily. For example, creating rhymes.
Rhymes are words that sound similar at the end. So, for example, cat and hat.
For example, creating rhymes. Or visual images related to the information you want to. Or visual images related to the information you want to.
That sounds interesting. Are there any other techniques?
Another effective technique is practicing active recall.
Recall means remembering something from the past.
Another effective technique is practicing active recall. Instead of simply reviewing material, try to actively retrieve it from memory.
For example, if you forget your keys at home and go back to get them, you're retrieving your keys.
Try to actively retrieve it from memory. This strengthens your ability to remember it later. This strengthens your ability to remember it later.
I'll definitely give that a try. I'll definitely give that a try. Anything else?
Yes, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can also improve memory. Yes, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can also improve memory. Regular exercise, eating a balanced diet. Regular exercise, eating a balanced diet, and getting enough sleep are all important for cognitive function.
When we talk about cognitive tasks, we're talking about things like thinking, remembering, and solving problems.
And getting enough sleep are all important for cognitive function.
I'll start incorporating these techniques into my routine.
Incorporating means adding something to something else.
I'll start incorporating these techniques into my routine.
Remember, improving your memory takes time and practice. So be patient with yourself.
English practice conversation. How to quit smoking. Tom, I've been thinking, I want to quit smoking. But I'm not sure where to start.
That's a big step, but it's possible. Have you considered setting a quit date?
Considered means thinking about something carefully.
Have you considered setting a quit date?
No, I haven't. What do I do after setting a quit date?
Well, it's important to plan ahead. Get rid of cigarettes, lighters, and ashtrays.
Rid means to remove or get rid of something. It's like making something go away or disappear. Ashtrays are containers for holding cigarette ash and cigarette butts.
Get rid of cigarettes, lighters, and ashtrays. Remove any temptations that might make you want to smoke.
Temptations are things that make you want to do something, even if you know it's not a good idea.
Remove any temptations that might make you want to smoke.
What about when I have cravings?
Cravings, it's like when you really want something and you can't stop thinking about it until you get it.
What about when I have cravings? It's so hard to resist.
Resist means trying not to do something, especially when you know it might not be a good idea.
It's so hard to resist.
I understand. When cravings hit, try finding healthier ways to cope.
Cope means dealing with problems or challenges. It's like finding ways to handle difficult situations.
When cravings hit, try finding healthier ways to cope. Maybe go for a walk. Chew gum or distract yourself with a hobby.
For example, if you're feeling sad, you might distract yourself by playing a game or listening to music to make yourself feel better.
Chew gum or distract yourself with a hobby.
How long will it take for me to quit for good?
Everyone's journey is different. But stay committed and don't get discouraged.
Committed means being dedicated or loyal to something or someone. Discourage means feeling sad or losing hope.
But stay committed and don't get discouraged. Celebrate every small victory along the way.
Victory means winning or achieving success.
Celebrate every small victory along the way.
I'll give it my best shot. You can do it.
Remember, quitting smoking is tough. But it's one of the best things you can do for your health.
Daily English conversation. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing well, thank you. What did you do today?
Nothing much. Just went to work and ran some errands.
Errands are small tasks or jobs that you need to do, usually outside of your home.
Just went to work and ran some errands. How about you?
I had a busy day too. I went to the gym in the morning and then met some friends for lunch.
That sounds nice. Did you do anything fun?
We went to the park and played some games. It was a lot of fun.
That sounds like a great way to spend the day.
It was. How about you? Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not really. Just going to relax at home. And maybe watch some movies.
Sounds like a plan. Well, I should get going now. It was nice catching up with you.
It was great seeing you too. Take care.